What up, folks? Quick video here. I got some HD 280 Pros. They've been my monitors for a long time. Today, I'm gonna upgrade the earpads. They, been serving me for a long time, but as you can see, they have seen some better days. They're a little flat, little worn out. These monitors are awesome. If you're looking for a pair of headphones that are gonna last for a long time, and as well as headphones that sound awesome, check it out. Sennheiser HD 280s. They're old. They've been around forever, but you can pick them up pretty cheap, like 70, 80 bucks on Amazon, and they're new. So pick that out and take a look. They sound awesome, like I said. And you may, be like, those look familiar. Well, that's because Joe Rogan uses them on his Joe Rogan podcast. So, pretty decent headphones if you ask me. But like I said, today we're gonna upgrade them. I got some new ear pads, right? I'm gonna go ahead and throw in, boom. They're velvet. They're supposed to be super comfortable, aftermarket. So not quite manufacturer, but built to manufacturer spec. I've used their ear pads a few times for other headphones that I've got. But anyways, that's them there. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Let's get to install. All right, here we go. Headphones. Step one, you need to pop the pads. It's pretty easy. You just gotta pinch and pull. And they come right out. See, the groove right in there. Just slides in. These are the stock ones, as you can see. I mean, they're factory spec. They've been around. See, totally busted. And they got nothing left to give. But man, have they lasted. I think I bought these things probably 10 years ago. Ridiculous. But anyways, carrying on. Like I said, pretty easy to pop out. Just kind of get them started. Pinch and pull. And that's it. Installing the new headphones is just as easy. I mean, you just have to do everything in reverse, right? So those are the old ones. We'll take those aside. Camila, hold those. The new ones, that's the new ones. Nice, thick and cushy. They got memory foam, so they're supposed to be even nicer on your head. But you got the second part. So this part goes inside this and goes within that. And that, what that does is it just gives you a little bit of cushion from the top of your ear actually touching the speaker itself. So first step, gotta fire that in there. This is probably the hardest step and is also the most frustrating because it's foam on foam, right? And it doesn't want to slide in nicely, but you kind of just have to work it in. Once it's in, it's pretty easy. Smooth it out. Make sure there's no crumple areas around the outside. And you're good to go. Nice. That's it. That's the earphone setup. Now that both of our pads are situated, next step is just to slide it into place. Right? So the easiest thing to do is to kind of start one edge into the groove. Like so. And then work it in all the way around. Remember, it's a stretch fit, so you kind of have to stretch it to get it to fit. All right. And then once it's in there, you kind kind of have to go back through. See, like that little spot there where it's rolled? You kind of have to go back through and work that out. And there it goes. It'll like pop, right? And that's it. Thus endeth the trick. Now we do it to the other side. And there you go. As you'll see, got both seams facing down. Easy peasy. They still lay flat, but they got a whole lot more cushion. Old, new. Pretty awesome. All right, and that's it. Quick, simple, HD 280 repair. They're good as new. In fact, they're better than new. Love it. All right, y'all. Take care. See you back in the stream.